Hello to all of my dearest friends. I hope you're doing great. I'm Mary from Hyperpeaks Productions team. Welcome to this video. I'm so glad to be back with one more video. In this video, we're going to learn together how to work with one of our so attractive Graffiti's text effect, which is volume 10 of our Graffiti's collections. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save on many hours of your precious time by using this template, and you can get to this so beautiful and stunning result just in less than 5 minutes. So our designers have spent so many hours to design this template, which you can use it just with a few clicks. If you just check out the so professional details, you would notice you don't need to spend this time. You just need to watch this video and follow us to the end of the video, and you're going to see how easy it is to work with this template. And by using this product, you can surprise and impress your customers in the least time possible. So I hope you enjoy this style and this template. Just before we get started with the video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. So let's get started with editing this brilliant style. So to edit the main text in the main layer, you just need to right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So in a window which appears here, as you see, we have many layers, but don't worry, it's so easy to work with them. The main thing we need to do is to edit this text. So I'm going to select text. For instance, I'm going to type my ideal text. I'm going to type Jamaica. There we go. So we adjust it a little, place it in the middle. I'm going to minimize with Control and T, or if you're using Mac, Command and T, you can do so. Just a little bit more, and excellent. There we go. So what are these layers? These layers allow you to have a total control and handle on the details of your text. For example, if I drag this green pattern a little down, you're going to see a big difference. The same with this part. As you see, everything's in separate layers, and you're totally free to make any changes you wish and you have in mind. So for the other layers, you just need to drag and copy or paste. You can just place the elements in the right place based on your taste. There's no trouble. So you can customize a little. So you see how easy it is to work. You don't need to put any effort. You just need to select the elements and place them wherever you wish to have them. So while dragging the elements, if they don't appear and you don't see them, just switch this tick on so the elements appears more clear, so you can find them and select them and place them in the exact right place or wherever you have in mind. So you just don't need to follow what I'm doing. It's totally based on your taste, and you can do as your likings. So I'm just going to put the video on fast forward so I don't take the time of the video. So we're done right here. I tried to place the elements in their right place. I didn't do anything special, anything important. So let's go to the next part. I'm going to close and click save to see what's applied. So as you see, so beautiful. Just check out the 3D effects, to how beautiful it's applied. The result is excellent. So now I'm going to tell you about these layers one by one and get to the end of the video. And as you see, how easy it's going to be to work with this template. So in the first step, we're going to switch the extrusion folder off, which is this 3D effect as you see, which makes us much faster in editing, because this template is a very complicated one and it contains many layers, which could make your system a little slower. So don't worry, it's temporary. We're going to come back finally and switch it back on. So the next thing you could do is to just turn this group in smart objects, convert it into smart objects. Here we go. So doing this makes all the layers which you see turn into one layer, and you can get on with editing much faster and easier. So I'm going to show you the adjustments folder, which is the brightness and contrast settings. Also this noise which you see is spread all over the design, which you can handle it, switch it off or on. So the next part is for signatures, which you see over here, which you can just change their place or edit the text of them just by double clicking. You can also double click and select color overlay and select your ideal color, which is a brilliant ability. So you can do the same with the other text and signatures, so I'm not going to get into editing to save on our time. You know best. You can also change their place, or you can also delete them and remove them. Anyone you don't like, you just can remove. You can also rotate with Control and T or Command and T. Rotate them. Just as easy as that. So the next layer, we have Speak Bubble, which is this little chat box right here, which you can change its place so easy. Place it wherever you have in mind, wherever you think it looks better. You can also change the text. It's so easy. So folder elements 1 are these elements, for example, this skull right here, which you can double click and change the color overlay, and here we go, whichever color you like. So the next part are these color drips right here, which are so realistic. You can select them one by one and place them anywhere you like or anywhere you have in mind. It's so easy to do so, as you see I'm doing right now, just like this. So the next folder is drip, which are these like colors dripping down, these thin drips of colors, which you can select them and place them wherever you like. For example, I'm going to place this one here. I think I should change the color of this one because the color doesn't match. I just need to double click, select color overlay and change the color just like this. So also this one, going to place it here, change the color so it matches just like this, and excellent. So the next part, we have these crosses which you see right here. As you see, you can get copies of them and place them in all different places. You can get as many copies as you want. It's so easy to do so. So the next part, we have smokes, which are these colorful steams and smokes which you see here, which makes our style and design look much more realistic and fashionable. So I can adjust them, change the place, and excellent. So the effects, which is the main style and layers of the text, which we just ignore it, we don't need it. So we have elements 2, which are the rest of the elements, as you see. The shapes, which you see all over the scene, which you can select them one by one and place them in the right place. You can have a brilliant handle, rotate them, and here we go. Also with this one, I'm going to place it here. Same with this one, and here we go. So I'm not going to explain the rest. I'm sure you know what to do, you know best. So we have the sprays here, which are these color sprays, which are placed on the background behind the text. here and here. So again, we have these crosses, which you can just double click and change the color or get copies of it. So we have these cute smokes right here, over here, as you see, which are like illustration type of smoke, which you can also switch the folder off if you don't like it. Anyway, it's totally in your hands. So we have this halo shape right here, or for example donut shape, which is used so much in graffiti text effect and looks brilliant. You can adjust it, change the place. So we have these marijuana leaves, which you can also change their place and customize. For example, I'm going to place this one right here. Also this one, I'm going to place it here. Easy as a piece of cake. So we have the smokes right here. For example, this smoke right here, which this smoke is placed behind the text or behind the leaves as it's in a separate layer. So we have smokes one more time, which are these green smokes behind the text, which have an excellent effect on our design, which you can adjust them. Again, we have the drips right here, which are in the background and make our design beautiful. Try to place them in the right place. And here. So the last folder is, one more time, we have the smokes, which are placed in the background, is these red steams and smokes, which makes our design look so more beautiful. So we have the background folder finally, which you can switch it off, also switch this folder off and have it in a fantastic transparent, just like this, which is a brilliant ability, and you can use it and drag it in all different projects and use it. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your attention. One more time, I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us and share it with your friends. And to download this template, you just need to refer to hyperpix.net, join the VIP account and access this template and hundreds of different styles and use it in personal and commercial works. Thanks for watching. Bye.